Okay, today we have our state hybrid water heater, and going to talk a little bit about it. These are very high efficient electric water heaters that use the heat pump that's on top of them to basically, I know it's kind of hard to see that, but use a heat pump to well, that's on the top of the unit to heat the hot water. Have several modes. Right now this particular one is in hybrid mode, so we can put it in either efficiency mode, which will just simply put it in straight heat pump, or we can put it in hybrid, which is heat pump plus backup electric, or you can put it in just straight electric, or even a vacation setting. And so we're going to test this one here today, but there we go. And that's about the noise level of the unit. They're very quiet, very efficient. This customer is seeing about a $500 a year savings, and this particular one comes with a 20-year warranty. This was the very best one that they make. Some of them only come with a 5 or 10-year warranty, so you have to be careful which one you get. State makes the best ones out there that I've seen so far, and a lot of customers have been very satisfied with their units. And if you have any comments or questions, let us know. Have a great day.